Hi friend, today I am going to discuss about measurement event A1. But I want to clear some small point like trigger quantity, hysteresis, threshold. I already discussed in previous video. If you not watch, you can watch. And next is report amount, report quantity. What is report quantity? Suppose this message I taken from RRC reconfiguration. That RRC reconfiguration message is send e node b to the e node b sent to the EV. Then I take that messages. So suppose we can see here report quantity is set as both. Both means when UV send measurement report to the network, that in this measurement report RSRP and RSRQ will be available. But trigger quantity is set RSRP means, yeah, A1 event is triggered only on the basis of RSRP. But yeah, when we send measurement report to the node B, in this measurement report RSRP and RSRQ both will be available. Next is measurement amount. Measurement amount means how many times yeah, we can send measurement report, and measure report interval. Report interval means when we send measurement report and can't receive yeah, a response against this measurement report, then we will continuously send measurement report till max. So he will continuously send after yeah, measurement sorry, report interval. And next is event ID. Event ID means trigger type. When event is triggered, so here suppose event A1 is set. A1 is set. That means here we can see here on the messages snap. A1 is event A1, and in this A1 event, this parameter is defined. Suppose here threshold RSRP is yeah, 32 means if we converted on in RSR dBm, so minus 180, because network is always sent as a integer 123. So in 5G RSRP will set in parameter level 0 to minus 0 to 97. So on the basis of 11 is increasing. So we will discuss this in next video. So you can, I think you understood. Time to trigger is set in between time we will receive after yeah, trigger the event A1, we will receive measurement report and take action. Action, suppose even A3 event and event is triggered, and we set time to trigger. So within time handover will happen, and network will trigger. So suppose if we facing issue in a delay in handover, so we need to check time to trigger if here value is high available there. So you can minimize 64. It's yeah, standard value 640. Below is 320, 160 is low. So if we delay, then you can uh, yeah, minimize here time to trigger value. And if we set very low and handover is failing, then you can increase time to trigger value. It will help in yeah, handover cases. I will discuss that in next video. Here I think all a small point is clear. here max reported cell, how many maximum cell reported, that is quantity is one set. So network will, everything is configured and sent through the RRC reconfiguration to the EV. On this on basis, EV will send measurement report, and after that EV will network will take a decision on this event. If we not take any decision, after interval time is expired, then we send again measurement report. So I think a small point is clear, and one is report on leave. When will leave on? So suppose I am going to take one example for better understanding. So here definition is here, event A1 is trigger when serving becomes better than threshold. I think everyone know this simple is, yeah, threshold better than threshold, then after that event A1 will trigger. Even also event A1 is available in 5G as a same. The event is triggered when following condition is true. If when A1 event is triggered, if this condition will meet, that A1 event is triggered, measurement minus hysteresis greater than threshold, suppose I am going to take one example. Suppose we set threshold is here minus 75. Threshold is minus 75. So, and hysteresis is 1 dB. That means, yeah, and measurement, UV send measurement report. In this measurement report, we receive minus 72, minus 72. That means here we place all thing, and we check on the condition. Measurement is minus 72 minus 1 dB, hysteresis minus 1 dB. So minus 72 minus 1 is minus 73, and threshold we set minus 75. So minus 73 is greater than the minus 75. The network triggers will trigger A1 event. And if suppose in second condition will meet, then network we cancel this A1 event. Suppose measurement, yeah, threshold is minus 75 already. Measurement is, suppose measurement is minus 77, minus 77, and hysteresis is 1 plus 1 equal to minus 76, 76, and threshold is already set minus 75. That means minus 76 is less than minus 75. That means even event will cancel. So suppose I am going to yeah, here we can see in snap hysteresis means 1 dB is going high and 1 dB is in below. Suppose 75 is set threshold, that means handover will trigger, yeah, is plus 1 is minus 74, and yeah, and minus 76 will on leave, will leave on minus 76. So I think you understood A1 event. I will come with next video with other event.